everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following simple interest question. We have Tiwi deposited some amount of money in the bank at simple interest. After 15 years, the amount became 7 times. In how many years will the amount become 10 times if the interest rate remains the same? I will start by stating the formula for simple interest. We have A, which is the accumulated amount, equals P times 1 plus the interest times the number of years. The keywords here is we have some amount was invested. The amount is unknown, so therefore my principal P will remain P because the amount is unknown. The next statement says after 15 years, which means the number of years n equals 15, the amount became 7 times. So what that means is the accumulated amount, which is A, equals 7 times the principal. So I have 7 times P. And then the interest remains the same, but it's unknown. So I remains I, which is unknown. So going back to the formula for simple interest, putting in the parameters given, I have A, the accumulated amount, which is now 7P, equals the principal, in bracket, 1 plus the interest times the number of years, which is 15, dividing both sides by P. I'm trying to solve for the interest I. I have P in P1. I also have on my right-hand side P in P1. So on my left-hand side, I'm left with 7 equals 1 plus I times 15. That's 15I. If I take out 1 from both sides, I have 15I equals 7 minus 1, which is 6. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 15 using the balance method. 15 and 15, 1. Therefore, my interest I equals 6 over 15, which is also equal to, if I simplify further, 2 over 5. Changing that to percentage, I have 2 over 5 equals 0.4. And to change it to percentage, the interest equals 40%. I got 40% by multiplying by 100 in order to change it to percentage. The next statement says, in how many years will the amount become 10 times if the interest rate remains the same? So what that means is my interest remains 40%. However, my accumulated amount will now become 10 times. So I'm going to rewrite my statement. So therefore, my principal remains P. My number of years is unknown, so I'm still looking for n. Then the accumulated amount is 10 times my principal, so I have that is 10 times P. My interest rate remains the same, which is 40%, the amount I got initially. So using the same formula for simple interest, my new accumulated amount is now 10P. So I have 10P equals my principal times 1 plus, I'm looking for n, the number of years, so that remains n, but my interest now is 40%. And note that 40% is the same as 0.4. So I have 0.4 times n. I'll start by dividing both sides by P in order to get rid of my P on both sides. P in P1, P in P1. On my left-hand side, I'm left with 10 equals 1 plus 0.4n. Therefore, 0.4n equals, I move my 1, 10 minus 1, which is 9. The next step is to divide both sides by 0.4. 0.4 and 0.4, that's 1. Therefore, my number of years n will be 9 divided by 0.4. That will be 22.5 or 22 and a half years. So what that means is, in 22.5 years, my principal is going to become 10 times. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concept. Bye.